Good day everyone, and welcome to another Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Now let's get into these top stories. Good day Jamaica. Now this breaking news. Now taxi and bus operators have joined forces in a national strike. Ooh. Why, you may ask? They are demanding a traffic ticket amnesty, and as a result, commuters have been left stranded.
Requested an amnesty, I prefer to lock us up. Hard working people, it is not fair, Mr. Prime Minister.
Watch out.
Come out of this. You want to live for you, want no man, so want no man. You want to ramp with the rest of the thing of play boy. I don't know about a ramp with bumbuckler.
No, this just in from the JCF. The thug seen intimidating and harassing passengers in a taxi has been charged by police.
Go round!
Please accommodate the guest for me.
No man, this is just utter chaos. Like, no, what really are going on in Jamaica? We just unrule this up.
This. See man, them just draw a man out of a taxi right up on Bransick Avenue or so.
Boy, yeah, empty everything. Until the police can do nothing. Empty that.
Oh wow. And first up, dancehall artist Spice resurfaces online and gives an update on her health. Thank you, Jesus, for saving my life. Hey besties, I'm in a better space today to properly update you on my current health situation. I suffered a damaged hernia a few days ago that sent my body into sepsis. As a result, I was rushed to the hospital for immediate surgery.
You're healthy, you're strong, you look good, you have all of the something about you. Yes, goody!
You know, just all the best, get better. And when you are ready, you can give everybody the full lowdown. And moving right along, now American actress Keke Palmer was accused of gallivanting at a dancehall party earlier this month. Not Miss Akeelia and the V, the Panada showed spree. Now, in more Keke news, Miss Palmer revealed that her big toe has all the boys coming to her yard.
Have you ever been with a guy that had a foot fetish?
No, but I'm gonna let you know something right now. I take this boot off and show you these socks, you gonna have a foot fetish. Everybody that done seen these feet, always a gag.
Have you ever had a man put your whole foot in their mouth?
I got a big ass foot.
Hey Siri, set a reminder to look up Keke Palmer's toes. Okay? Alright. Oh, and now this coming in breaking news is that the Ruthven Towers apartment has been flooded out. Well, I mean, they did say that they wanted to build a pool. And now moving things further along, now a baboon wormed its way into a woman's apartment and ate all her groceries. Get your mind out the gutter.
Show me how am I supposed to...
No.
Now switching things up, a woman revealed that she particularly enjoys taking a special type of public transportation.
Yes, I like being ran. Yes, I like gangbangs. I like being manhandled by several different men at once. If you want to call it being ran, you call it whatever you want. I'm sexually liberated.
Not this girl being a whole 16, eh? Train. Now, ever heard the rule that parents should allow their children to win when competing with them? Well, I guess this didn't go for these elders. Love the energy. That is how you humble them kids here. And from one child story to the next, here is how you can stop your child from being bullied.
So my daughter was getting bullied at school for a couple of months, y'all, and she did not tell me because she said I react different than her dad does. So she told her dad, and her dad told me. So y'all, in the midst of this, I kid you not, I planned a meeting with the parent and the children. I told them that my child was not going to be able to make it because she was so affected by this whole situation. And the mama was so ghetto and ratchet, y'all. And she was like, we really in here arguing about a bald head little. And before she could get little whatever she was finna say, I popped her, y'all. And I turned to the child and I said, I will beat your mama ass every day just to show you that she can't even defend you from me. You put your hands on my child one more time, who you gonna call? You better call your daddy. And I said, her daddy can fight real good. That child was so scared, y'all. I kid you not. My child ain't had no more problems at that school.
No, man. Somebody give this woman the Nobel Peace Prize. Somebody give her... Now, from one lashing to another, a woman proves why there is power in the tongue.
Bad bitch when I'm up in the function. Johnny Gang on a chain, it's custom. Walk through when I'm looking like a hottie little baby when my eyes bustin'. This dress look good cause I'm...
Oh, Jesus Christ. No, man. Why me feel so moist? No, man. Me know the woman, the bills them I get taken care of among time. Like, come on, man. The woman have a whole comforter in her mouth. Silly pastrapedic. Now, remember the song that said, when there is trouble in your life, sing praises? This gentleman did no such thing.
Fuck! Motherfucker! Fucking over this shit! Fuck! Fuck this driveway, man! It's not fucking cool!
You look so dumb right now.
And now let's move things right along. Now, you've heard of flower girls, but have you ever heard of flower men? But Beyonce say, unique? Now, a few days ago, the country of Jamaica had experienced some mild tremors. My news team is being told that this is exactly what caused it. Now, there are many ways to get comfortable with your partner. Now, I'm not sure if this is one of them. No, man, that is love. That is true love. The fact that he was able to flatulate, she flatulated as well. They did that simultaneously. Both of those particles just like mixing and congregating in the atmosphere. That is love. That is love. How that song go again? Fart in the name of love. Fart in the name of love. Now, to another story. A woman, while heading to work, told her boyfriend this.
The fuck is that smell? You. But you wrong for that. You didn't brush your teeth.
Girl, stop playing.
No, the fuck didn't. It's not like shit.
Michelle, kill me. Now, R&B sensation Hailey Bailey was quite excited seeing her boyfriend DDG. No, man, I see him so Little Mermaid did react when them gear the 2 foot them. No, things got quite intense at a wedding after the pastor instructed the couple to kiss each other.
All right. We give praise to God. We give praise to God. We give praise to God. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Hey. Giggity. But get a room though. Now, let's get into this story. Now, this is how a wife decided to shade her husband during the wedding ceremony for taking 15 years to marry her. Okay, so let's get into this story. So a grandma who had the spirit of discernment was able to quickly remove herself from a potentially harmful situation. No man, that is what you call mercy said no. Have you ever been hit on by an older woman? Well, if not, take a look and take some notes.
If I evil, how are you do, sir?
Ah!
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yes.
You really look fine.
The big man them have lyrics. They are the ones that have the best lyrics. Okay, so now to our final story. Now, this couple has been together for over 51 years, and the wife, she definitely knows how to keep things spicy in the kitchen.
You gotta come this way, honey. Come this way. So you can do chicken salad on bread, croissants, put it on the spinach wrap, lettuce. My favorite way for him is on bread. So you want me to make you a sandwich?
You taste it first, then you can make me a sandwich.
Yeah, come in the camera and say hi.
Okay.
This is the love of my life.
Let's see.
Hear that crunch? That's from the peppers.
Mm-hmm.
What do you need?
Need a little spice for hold still. Oh yeah, it tastes right now. Yeah, I'm ready.
Very cute.
Yeah, that's really good.
That's good?
Mm-hmm. While you had a little sandwich, and I might as well have some nice tea and chips to go with it.
You want me to make that for you? I promised God I was gonna see about you. So here comes the sandwich.
Okay, I'm gonna go just sit down there.
Yeah, man, them still have. Wow, that is real relationship goals. By the way, Papa I'll jump in and just smooth with it, you know, like, yeah, man, you want some more sugar? Want some more spice? Give me them lips. Give me them lips. Let me kiss you right now, man. Mwah. Okay. A moment just today, I look on him like, wait until me hold you tonight. Hey, you want one sandwich? Me will give it to you, you know. Hey. Well, that is it, Berritos. We've come to the end of the Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Do take care. Until next time.